compounds. So polyhalogen compounds are, one is iodoform. Iodoform. So it is CH3 is the iodoform. So second compound is methylene chloride. Methylene chloride. So it is CH2Cl2, methylene chloride. So third compound is chloroform. Chloroform. It is CHCl3, chloroform. So fourth compound is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. So it is CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. So fifth one is prions. Prions. So sixth one is DDT. So these are the polyhalogen compounds. So first compound is iodoform. First compound is iodoform. Iodoform. So its formula is CHI3. CHI3. So its name is triiodomethane. It is the triiodomethane. Triiodomethane. So now preparation method of the iodoform. Preparation method of the iodoform is, let us consider alcohol CH3 CH2OH. It is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. It is treated with 4 moles of iodine 4I2 in the presence of alkali. So the best alkali is sodium hydroxide and it is 6NaOH. It is the alkali. So then it gives iodoform CHI3 iodoform plus HCOONA. It is the sodium formate. Sodium formate plus 5 moles of NaI plus 5 moles of water is obtained. So it is the preparation method of iodoform. So ethyl alcohol treated with iodine in the presence of alkali, that is NaOH. It gives iodoform CHI3 and sodium formate and sodium iodide in the water. So it is the first preparation method of the iodoform. So now second preparation method of the iodoform. So then alcohols CH3 CH2OH. It is the ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol treated with 4 moles of iodine in the presence of sodium carbonate Na2CO3. So then 3 moles of sodium carbonate. So then it gives same compound iodoform CHI3 plus HCOONA plus 5NaI plus 3H2O plus 2CO2. So very number of carbons is 1, 2 and it is 3. Then number of carbons is 5. So 1 it is 2 and it is 2 and it is the 3CO2 and 2H2O. So these are the preparation methods of iodoform. So ethyl alcohol treated with iodine in the presence of sodium carbonate. It is the sodium carbonate. So then it gives iodoform, sodium formate, sodium iodide, water and carbon dioxide. So now properties of the iodoform is, so it is the yellow crystalline solid, yellow crystalline solid, and it is used as a antiseptic. It is used as antiseptic. So these are the properties of the iodoform. So then next compound is methylene chloride. So now, so second compound is methylene chloride. It is CH2Cl2. So it is IUPAC name is, first of all, its structure is it is CH, it is CH, it is Cl and it is Cl. So now first carbon with two chlorines, so 1 comma 1 dichloro, 1 comma 1 dichloromethane, 1 comma 1 dichloromethane. So it is the methylene chloride. So then properties. So properties of the methylene chloride is, it is used as a solvent. It is used as a solvent. So it is used for the removal of colors or paints removal. It is the paints removal. So by the using of this compound to remove the colors of the compounds. So then it is used as antiseptic as well as, so its nature is the toxic nature. Its nature is a toxic nature. So the toxicity nature of methylene chloride is the less than chloroform. So then toxic nature of the methylene CH2Cl2 is less than chloroform, that is CHCl3. So chloroform is the more toxic than methylene chloride. So then next property is, it is very harmful. It is very harmful to the human beings. So it is harmful to the human beings by it affect the central nervous system. Central nervous system of the human beings. So these are the properties of methylene chloride. So methylene chloride is CH2Cl2. It is the structural representation CH, So 1 comma 1 dichloromethane is the methylene chloride. So these properties are, number 1 is it is used as a solvent. It is used for the removal of paints. So its nature is a toxic nature or carcinogenic nature. Its toxic nature is less than chloroform CHCl3. So then it is very harmful to the human beings. So it affects on the central nervous system of the human beings. So then third polyhalogen compound is chloroform. So third polyhalogen compound is chloroform. So chloroform, its formula is CH, it is the Cl3, CHCl3. So its representation is it is Cl, it is Cl, it is Cl, and it is a H. So it is the trichloromethane. It is the trichloromethane. Trichloromethane. Its IUPAC name is 1, 1, 1 trichloromethane. Trichloromethane. So generally, its shape of this molecule is distorted tetrahedral. Distorted tetrahedral. So its preparation same as iodoform. So then preparation method of the chloroform 1 is. So let us consider alcohol CH3 CH2OH. It is ethyl alcohol. It is treated with 4 moles of chlorine 4Cl2 in the presence of alkali 6NaOH. So then it gives CHCl3 plus HCOONA. This is HCOONA plus 5 moles of NaI plus 5 moles of water. So then alcohols treated with chlorine in the presence of alkali, it gives chloroform. Chloroform is the chloroform. Same as second preparation method is. So it is prepared from alcohol CH3 CH2OH ethyl alcohol. It is treated with 4 moles of chlorine in the presence of 3 moles of sodium carbonate. 3 moles of sodium carbonate. Then it gives CHCl3 chloroform. CHCl3 is the chloroform plus sodium formate HCOONA plus 2H2O plus 3CO2. So then ethyl alcohol treated with chlorine in the presence of sodium carbonate, it gives the chloroform. So chloroform structure shape is the distorted tetrahedral. So now properties. So properties of the chloroform is, so number 1 is it is the toxic compound. It is the toxic compound. Its toxicity is greater than methylene chloride. So then second one is generally it is used as anesthetic in surgeries. So anesthetic in surgeries. So these are the properties of the chloroform. So generally chloroform properties, third one is very important property. So chloroform slowly oxidizes. So it is slowly oxidizes. It gives the carbonyl chloride. So then chloroform CHCl3, if you take 2 moles, so it is treated with oxygen because this reaction is oxidation reaction. So it gives COCl2. It gives COCl2, 2COCl2 plus HCl. So the number of hydrogens are, it is 2 hydrogens. So then 2 hydrogens. So then it is 2HCl. So COCl2 is the carbonyl chloride. It is the carbonyl chloride. It is also known as phosgene. phosgene. So phosgene is the very toxic compound. So the third property is chloroform slowly oxidizes to carbonyl chloride or phosgene. So then 2 moles of chloroform, it is treated with oxygen, it gives COCl2 carbonyl chloride and phosgene. It is a very toxic gas. So then next one is third polyhalogen compounds are the fourth one is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. So carbon tetrachloride formula is, it is the CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. So then it is a CCl, it is Cl, it is Cl, it is a Cl. So its IUPAC name is tetrachloromethane. It is the tetrachloromethane. So now preparation methods of the carbon tetrachloride. Preparation methods. So one is, generally it is prepared from alkanes by the chlorination reaction or halogenation reaction. So for example, let us consider methane. It is the methane, it is the alkane. It is treated with 4 moles of chlorine, 4 moles of chlorine. So then it gives C, carbon 1, 4 into 2, 8 chlorines, so CCl4, 4 chlorines. So then remaining 4 chlorines combines with 4 hydrogens, so then it gives 4 moles of HCl. So then methane is treated with chlorine. Chlorine, it is the chlorination reaction. It gives the carbon tetrachloride. This is the first preparation method. So then second preparation method is, it is prepared from carbon bisulfide. It is the CH2. It is the carbon bisulfide. So carbon bisulfide is treated with excess chlorine. It is the excess chlorine. The reaction undergoes in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. So then it gives C, it is CCl4. So then remaining is number of chlorines is 3 into 2, 6 chlorines. So number of chlorines is 4. So then the remaining 2 sulfurs combines with the 2 chlorines. It gives the H2Cl2. So then carbon bisulfide is treated with excess chlorine in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives the carbon tetrachloride and H2Cl2. So the name of this compound is disulfur dichlorine. It is the disulfur dichlorine. It is the dimer of the SCl2. It is a dimer of SCl. It is a sulfur monochloride. It is the sulfur monochloride. So it is the H2Cl2. So then second preparation is carbon bisulfide is treated with excess of chlorine in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives carbon tetrachloride and disulfur dichloride. So disulfur dichloride is the monomer of the sulfur monochloride. So these are the preparation methods of the carbon tetrachloride. So then properties of the carbon tetrachloride. So generally it is used as a solvent. So carbon tetrachloride is the highly liquid. It is the highly liquid. It is the highly liquid compound. So then carbon tetrachloride is used as preparation of what is aerosols, preparation of aerosol cans, as well as it is preparation for prions. It is preparation of prions. So prions, like it is the R22 type of prions are prepared from the carbon tetrachloride. So the next property of the polyhalogen compounds. Next polyhalogen compound is the prions.